Hello everyone and welcome to Geneva in Switzerland. You are about to watch an incredible event. It is 11 a.m. our time here in Geneva and you're probably just pouring your first cup of coffee if you're in North America. So thank you for being with us. I can tell you everybody on site, everybody at Bombardier, every aviation enthusiast is wondering what Éric Martel is about to announce. So stay with us and have a great event. And thank you so much for being proud of this day in aviation history and in Bombardier's history. You're about to get your coffee. You don't need a coffee. There's an event happening here. We're rocking EBACE. And in a few moments, Éric Martel, le PDG de Bombardier, is going to come on this stage and make a huge announcement. Only if you're ready. Are you ready? Let me tell you a little bit about Éric Martel, because at Bombardier, we really love our CEO. We call him our Chief Engagement Officer. He hasn't been to EBACE in a while, and so when we decided to get here, he said, we need a big news, Ev. Call everybody, engineers, everybody, gather around me. What are we going to do to wow people at EBACE? So without further ado, mesdames et messieurs, au Québec, au Canada, en Amérique du Nord, please welcome to the stage our CEO, the CEO of Bombardier, Monsieur Éric Martel.
Morning. Merci beaucoup, Eve, and good morning to you all. Bonjour à tout le monde. C'est un plaisir, mais un grand plaisir d'être avec vous ici ce matin à Genève. It's wonderful to be back at EBACE. We are incredibly excited to be making a major announcement today right here in Geneva. As many of you know, this has been a remarkable year for Bombardier's product. Our new Challenger 3500 is selling extremely well and won the prestigious Red Dot Award for the best of the best product design. We delivered our 1,000th global aircraft this year. And shortly after, we celebrated the delivery of our 100th Global 7500 business jet. But the excitement is just beginning. We have a winning portfolio, and at the top of this portfolio is the industry flagship, the Global 7500. The aircraft has proven more than 100 times that it's the best business jet ever made. When we launched this aircraft, Bombardier promised to redefine what is possible in the industry. The Global 7500 has done everything we promised and much more. And we're not stopping here. I mentioned how happy we are to be back in Geneva. In fact, it's the perfect place to make this announcement. This is the watch capital of the world. They say that this city tells time in 1,000 different ways. At Bombardier, we are as meticulous and determined as the iconic watch designer of Geneva, and our business jet helps people save time in thousands of ways, maybe even 8,000 ways. So now, let's start the countdown to our big announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the new Bombardier Global 8000 aircraft.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
People ask me all the time, what are Bombardier plans for the Global 8000? Some people wanted to know if Bombardier would still pursue the Global 8000 program since the Global 7500 is performing so well. Today, the Bombardier team and I are extremely happy to give you the answer. The Bombardier Global 7500 program has been so successful, has achieved in so many ways that we are evolving it into a new aircraft, the Global 8000, entering service in 2025. What we are offering is really two aircraft in one. Everything that the Global 7500 has to offer, including its world-famous four-zone cabin, plus a level of performance that has never been seen before in business aviation. The Global 7500 is already the industry leader in range, and the Global 8000 aircraft will go even farther, with an unprecedented range of 8,000 nautical miles, unlocking even more possibilities for a customer. And the speed of this aircraft is truly remarkable. The Global 8000 will be the fastest civil airplane since the Concorde. With a top speed of Mach 9.4, think of the time this will save to our customer. In addition to this stunning performance, the Global 8000 aircraft will have a cabin altitude of 2,900 feet, the lowest cabin altitude in the industry. This will help our customer feel their best throughout the flight and upon arrival. I want to come back to the speed of this aircraft for a moment, because this is an achievement we are proud, very proud. As you know, Mach 9.4 is very close to the sound barrier, which brings me to another announcement. About a year ago, Bombardier achieved something absolutely historic. We performed a preliminary flight test campaign in California to validate what the speed of our new aircraft could be. During this campaign, our test aircraft repeatedly broke the sound barrier. A NASA chase airplane confirmed it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we achieved a supersonic flight. How amazing is that? And we did this with using sustainable aviation fuel. So it's the first time an aircraft has broken the sound barrier using this type of fuel. Thanks to this testing, we can confirm that the Global 8000 will be able to fly at top speed of Mach 9.4 faster than any other business jet in service or being designed. What I just said is impressive, but it's even more impressive when you see it.
Target Mach 1.01. You ready? Ian is ready. Chase, you ready? 3, 2, 1, green light.
There's the Mach. I can feel it.
definitely went Mach 1 there. We're at 4.3, we're above bingo. Beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Bombardier is making history. As a leader of this industry, Bombardier is never complacent when it comes to its portfolio. We are always getting better and pushing ourselves further. This philosophy applies to every aspect of our company, including our customer service network, which is growing in leaps and bounds. Our Global 8000 customer will benefit from a Bombardier service network that is 50% larger today. We already made our Singapore service center 4 times bigger, and we are expanding our European service facility in London. We are also opening brand new service facility in Miami and Melbourne, Australia. And we're not only growing our physical footprint, we are expanding our digital services too. Customer of the Global 8000 will have access to one of the most transformative service feature on the market today. Bombardier's SmartLink Plus connected aircraft program. It's the digital evolution of services that lets operators stay connected to the aircraft at all time. This smart technology can identify and troubleshoot problems real time. By the time an aircraft lands, the maintenance team is already aware of the issue and can be waiting on the ground with a solution. Once again, Bombardier is finding new ways to save time. I want now to take a moment to talk about our Global 7500 customer. You are the proud owner of the best business jet available until 2025. Since the Global 8000 stands on the shoulder of your aircraft, you will have the possibility to upgrade your Global 7500 to a Global 8000. We will have more details for our Global 7500 customer about this soon. It goes to show how well designed the Global 7500 aircraft is. We build the industry flagship, which can continue to evolve even as we introduce the flagship of a new era. Now being able to launch an aircraft like the Global 8000 is the result of a lot of work, hard work from a lot of people. I want to thank our Bombardier team members for making this possible. Some of you are here with us today in Geneva, and many are watching us from around the world. Thank you for making the best planes and offering the best customer service in the industry. And of course, our suppliers are a key part of our success. You help us offer the best product to our customer. Some of you are here with us this morning. I want to thank you on behalf of Bombardier for being on this journey with us. I know you're proud to contribute to the world's best business jet. I want to conclude with a few words about the direction our company is taking. As I mentioned at the start, Bombardier has an amazing year, and we've mapped out a future that is incredibly promising. Bombardier is a different company than it was last time we were here. We're purely focused on business jet, and we positioned our portfolio to meet the growing demand we're seeing in the industry. We've built a solid backlog and significantly strengthened our balance sheet. We're investing in our portfolio, our service network is growing, and our facilities are busier than ever. While all of this is unfolding, we're also working hard to make sure that the future of the business jet industry is more sustainable. As we explained during our press conference yesterday, Bombardier is taking many steps to lower its environmental impact. We are a leader in this regard as well. I hope you are excited, as I am, about the future of our industry. It's amazing the things you can achieve when you have a talented team like ours. Je vous remercie tous d'avoir été parmi nous aujourd'hui pour cette grande annonce. It's been a pleasure to introduce you all the Global 8000 aircraft, the flagship of the new era. Thank you. Merci.